In this workshop, you'll learn how to develop web games using an open-source game engine. This is an introductory course, so no worries if you're new to game development. You'll have the chance to design and create small, fun, and educational games. Once you get the hang of the basics, you'll be able to make even more exciting projects. A couple of things to keep in mind: you'll need a computer or laptop, not Chromebooks nor tablets. Unlike Scratch, this workshop involves a bit of coding, but don't worry. As long as you can type on a keyboard and follow instructions, you'll be just fine. You'll also need to know how to download and run software on your computer. This is the game engine that we will be coding in. In most cases, it's as simple as unzipping a file and double-clicking the executable to launch it. You'll also get to create your own educational game as a final project. Make sure to add this to your resume or profile. And if your game stands out, 10X Hub will host it online and even share it with teachers to be used in classrooms. You get to learn a new technology and do good. Our next sessions are now open. Come join us and bring a friend along.